Welcome to Photoshop 2024. In this video, we will learn how to automatically zoom targeted layer in Photoshop. So here you can see more than 20 layers of photo. Suppose we auto zoom this butterfly photo. First, select the layer of this butterfly photo. Then hold down the Alt key from the keyboard and click the left mouse button on the layer. As you can see, the butterfly photo is automatically zoomed in. In the same way, we will zoom in on this moon photo layer. Select the moon photo layer. Next, hold down the Alt key from the keyboard and click the left mouse button on the layer. So you can zoom in on other layers like this. Thanks for watching the video.